Hello, everyone. My name is Liu from the Proton. Thanks to Don for this good opportunity for us to do a quick introduction of the BoAT. The BoAT project was incubated by the Proton as it's an IoT application based on the TE technology. So we are thinking the data was generated by the IoT device, the connected device, in some scenario. So we developed the IoT device wallet, try to protect the valuable data from the source. But the IoT is quite fragmental. So how to find the universal carrier to deploy the IoT device wallet? So we find the one carrier, it's a wireless module. So the people using the smartphone to access the internet. So the device, we regard device as the robot, kind of robot. So what's the robot? It's a smartphone, it's a wireless module. So robot using the wireless module to access the internet, to deliver the data to the backend. So the wireless module industry is quite consolidated after 20 years of development. So the top 10 module supply contribute to 90% of the shipment. So we already have the agreement with the 3 of the top 10 to pre-install our IoT device wallet. So we have the quite coverage, the different kind of device and different kind of IoT application. So the BoAT, we call this IoT wallet, the device wallet is the BoAT. The BoAT actually is the SDK framework running on the wireless module. So there are 2 fundamental technologies. One is we're using the TE, the secure enclave or secure container, and the cryptography to trust the identity of the device and send the trusted data to the blockchain. The other technology is we're using the Proton's MTC to exchange the data with the privacy preserving. So the BoAT has the full capacity. In the device side, we have the TE to generate the private key and protect the private key. And in the blockchain side, we using the smart contract and the MTC to exchange the data with the privacy preserving. And we also have the remote attestation to real-time monitor the device the healthy, any hacker happen. And we also have the threshold signing service to split the private key. So the part of the private key will be stored in the TE. So based on the 2 fundamental technology and the full capacity, we enable the wireless module as a part of the IoT secure financial infrastructure. So we have the 2 use case. One is the machine-to-machine payment by the digital currency. The other is the data on the device as the asset to be transacted. So try to keep save the time. I only had the 5, so I skip the demo video. This demo is just using the BoAT to convert the wireless module as the Proton's Oracle. So the BoAT deliver the data from the physical world to the smart contract of the blockchain, and then those data, actually the temporary data, will be digitalized and capitalized as the one asset could be transacted on the data market. So here is the BoAT architecture. Consists of the trusted framework on the IoT device. Actually, the T is the key component. So the framework running on the TE. So the application we are using the BoAT SDK to call the private key to sign the data and the contract, but never access the private key. And the remote attesting service is like the real-time monitor the device the healthy. So if we found the device is hacked, we still have the stretch signing service because just the half the key stored in the TE. So this device is hacked, but the hacker cannot access the whole, complete the private key. And by those kind of protection measure, the data on the device could be trusted, collected, and the secure store the record on the blockchain, and the value of the data will be exchanged from the IoT device to the AI, so the value of the data could be monetized by the AI. Then we see the BoAT in the device side as the entry of the value. So here is some ecosystem development. Just the last month, at the end of June, we in the Mobile Congress, Shanghai, the one operator, the Unicom, set up the joint innovation center with us together, and we work with the two top module supply. One is the Flipcon, the other Quicktale. We announced the 5G blockchain module with the BoAT inside. So because the 5G is coming and bring the more use case, so we welcome the industrial partner, the ecosystem partner, to join us together to find a more use case and try to find more interesting or innovative business model. So thanks.